Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? Hopefully my friends will be perfect, will be enjoying their life with family and friends like me and like my video. So my dear friends, today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very beautiful, fantastic and stylish ideas, good looking and fabulous ideas, beautiful different type of gray color dye ideas. You can see in this video how you can make your color ideas, how you can dye your hairs with different type of beautiful gray color with touch of black and fantastic ideas with gray color ideas. So please keep watching my video and keep supporting my channel. It's a highly requested and fantastic and fabulous fantastic ideas, beautiful gray color ideas, mind blowing and super duper. So when you apply these all beautiful gray color ideas, then your personality will be enhanced and you will so happy when you apply and you go any function and everyone like you, because gray color is too much trending color and trending fashion color. Some are touch with of black, touch with of brown. So it's perfect and fabulous collection, fabulous ideas about beautiful women gray hair ideas. Wow, it's so beautiful and fantastic when you try. If you are uni girl, college girl, school girl and office girl and also working woman, you can also apply these are beautiful gray color hair ideas, because it's the color of all every ages ladies and all of you. It's stunning ideas, most fabulous and fantastic ideas. So please keep watching and keep supporting my channel. If you are watching first time my video, then I must suggest you must watch my video till the end, and please keep watching. Keep supporting by liking my video, by sharing my video, also my previous videos. You can see in this channel many beautiful hair color and hair cutting ideas like pixie color, pixie cutting, bob cutting, layered cutting and pixie bob, layered bob and many more cutting ideas. Okay, thanks for watching. See you till the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.